Hello, welcome to this trade breakdown of this trade I took on Friday the 29th of December 2023 on US dollar Swiss franc. Just going to go onto the daily time frame and start here. So had this pattern drawn out on the daily. I was looking for it to be complete. We can also see that we took this low here from 2015 and closed with a bullish rejection candlestick the day before the entry. So with this pattern now being complete, and we've had the 1, 2, third touch of this trend line, I came into this day only looking for longs. So I dropped down into the 15-minute time frame. I come onto the charts at 7 AM London time. So this is exactly what I'm seeing. The day before, I had this breaker structure drawn in. So this is the initial 15-minute breaker structure. We're using this high because this is what formed this low. I class this here as a bit of a liquidity grab, not really a new low, so I go from this. Anyway, we've had that strong push up, so now I'm looking for the price to come down to my discount area here, which I got this fib, drew it from the low to the high, and we've got my 0.618 here. Not sure if I showed it on the last video, but this is my fib inputs here. So I've got my 0.618, 0.75, and 0.86. So these are my levels here, and then the extensions. I've got the 0.27, which is this one, 0.62, which is this one, and 1. Okay, so at 7 AM, I was just waiting for price to come into these levels before looking for a second breaker structure to get long. So if we just play price forward, price is now coming into these levels, and now I'm a bit more alert and on the charts. So we can be looking and waiting for the second breaker structure. When this candle closed here, I was looking for longs. So this is the high that created this low. So as soon as we break structure here to the upside, I can be looking for longs. Once we started the pullback, I got my fib, drew it from the bottom to the top, set my order here at 0.618 and stop at the low, target 0.62 fib extension. Play price forward, got triggered in here around 3 o'clock, and then price popped up aggressively. I did take my profit slightly early here, 3R, just before this extension. So this is the Friday before like New Year's break, and I didn't want to hold it over the sort of break and the weekend, etc. So I took profit slightly earlier. As soon as we were coming up to these levels here and hit the 3R mark, I just manually closed it. So looking on this bigger structure, we can also see we had this left head, right shoulder, and then within that we had a left shoulder, head, and then the right shoulder here. So 2 inverted head and shoulders to add to the confluences. So yeah, nice simple breakdown of this trade taken on US dollar Swiss franc on Friday the 29th for 3R, using this simple 15-minute entry strategy. Okay, any questions, drop them below, and see you in the next one.